Hello and good afternoon to all. Today I would like to present a paper entitled Review on Cloud Computing Application in P2P Video Streaming. I am Nur Wahida Abdul from UTM Malaysia, and the co-authors of the paper are Kumilani Jenny, Satya Mandala and Eko Subrento. So, the content of the paper are as follow: introduction, theory of traditional e-learning, then theory of cloud-based e-learning, and then I would like to explain about P2P video streaming, implementation of technology, implementation of cloud computing application in P2P video streaming, and lastly is conclusion and future work. So for the introduction, cloud-based e-learning systems are commonly used to replace the traditional client-server technology of e-learning. So e-learning can be categorized as an interactive teaching and learning because it includes numerous types of media that deliver text, audio, image, animation, and streaming video. Most universities have their own e-learning system, which mostly developed based on open source solution and stored in server. Low scalability as the repositories keep growing in unlimited space as it's stored in the server. Also, cost of implementing e-learning is also high, as it includes infrastructure, architecture, and hardware and software. So we have to change to cloud. So why change to cloud? Because first, it reduces costs. Cloud computing reduces the capital costs and operating expense resources which are needed on the basis of pay per use. Second, because refined usage of personnel. In cloud computing, the users focus on delivering values rather than maintaining hardware and software. And also, robust scalability. Cloud computing allows to have immediate scaling, either increase or decrease at any time for future commitment. However, as many users access to the server, the centralized computing architecture will produce bottlenecks which will affect the quality of cloud computing services and cause inconvenience to users. Bottlenecks in the available upload bandwidth, both at the media source and inside the available network, may limit the quality of service known as QoS experienced by users. Then, P2P networks introduced to boost up the service of e-learning as a potential solution to overcome the bottleneck problem, to guarantee a minimum level of QoS. Then, theory of traditional e-learning. E-learning is the computer and network-enabled transfer of skills and knowledge. Lecturers can upload notes, assignments, and even quizzes into e-learning, and students can access to e-learning to get the materials that they have been provided. Hence, students can learn through notes and interact with lecturers and peers to help them solving their problem in certain subjects. Theory of cloud-based e-learning. E-learning clouds is a migration of cloud computing technology in the field of e-learning infrastructure, including all the necessary hardware and software computing resources included in the e-learning. So, cloud computing provides the infrastructure, platform, and educational services directly through the cloud providers and by using visualization, centralized data storage, and facilities for data access monitoring. Cloud service also can help build personal learning environment, centralized management, and control the basic elements of personal learning environments, for example, text, audio, and even video. So peer-to-peer video streaming consists of two, which are live streaming and video on demand. Live streaming means it can disseminate live video contents to all the peers in real time, while video on demand enables peers to enjoy the flexibility of watching a video. Several researchers propose peer-to-peer architecture model that integrate with the other technologies, which are DHT and SVC technology. DHT technology, meaning this method eventually avoid bottlenecks from occur at the central server as the flooding surge with distributed structure. While SVC technology, due to dynamically changes in the peer-to-peer network, video streaming over cloud caused limitation in the upload bandwidth and client did not receive smooth video stream. SVC also aids in developing an appropriate and stable video delivery platform that supports live video streaming in all kinds of online multimedia devices. By using this technology, video can also be streamed either in high or low quality. The implementation of cloud computing application in peer-to-peer video streaming. Peer-to-peer network has much characteristics such as decentralization, scalability, robustness, high performance or price ratio, privacy policy, and also load balancing. So commonly there are 4 issues in video streaming, which are delay, jitter, bottleneck, and bandwidth. So the authors, Wen Wu Zhu et al. Has proposed Media Age Cloud Architecture, which known as MEC, that integrate with peer-to-peer technology to aid with distributed media data storage and computation. It composed of storage, central processing unit, CPU, and graphics processors unit, GPU clusters. The MEC will store, processes, and transmit media data at the edge, hence achieving shorter delay. While Hong Yi Chang et al. Proposed cloud-based P2P live video streaming, or known as Cloud PP, that use public cloud service as peers that integrate with scalable video coding technology. Then, lastly, this author proposed a hybrid cloud P2P architecture, which known as Dragonfly, that is specifically developed to support different kinds of large-scale multi-point streaming applications. Dragonfly proposed a novel two-tier edge cloud middle layer of architecture. It is called two-tier edge because it combines P2P cloud and traditional cloud source providers such as Amazon, Google, and IBM. This layer able to provide additional network resources in preventing bandwidth bottleneck and delay from occur. Then, for conclusion, we have known as cloud computing has high reliability, high scalability, on-demand service, large-scale operation, low maintenance costs, and also visualization. But as many users access to the server, centralized computing architecture will affect the quality of cloud computing service and cause inconvenience to users. Then, with the aid of P2P system, issues of streaming video over cloud, which are bottleneck, delay, bandwidth, and jitter, can be overcome. So, for the future work, we will emphasize algorithms applied in the cloud computing application in video streaming. So that's all from me. Thank you.